Hi everyone, welcome to Life Joyfully Done. I'm Jen.
I'm Melissa.
And today is the day we get to share the wonderful news with you. Donnie has been adopted. Woo! Yes, and in this video we are going to share with you the journey that led up to that. As well, at the end, we're going to share some videos of him in his new forever home. So make sure you watch it all the way through, right, Lissa?
Yes, you don't want to miss all this adorable, cute puppiness.
Yes, he had some adventures already, right? Very exciting. All right, guys, let's get into it. How's your day been? Has you had a good day? Tell me. Really? What? Really? Do you hear the other doggies? Tell me, how's your... That's how your day's been?
Yeah.
You've had a good one?
It's a good day.
Has it been a good day? You're so silly. You're a crazy boy. What are you doing? Donnie? Donnie? What are you doing? You playing with Buzz Lightyear? Alright, after a few days, we were ready to let Donnie and Diamond hang out. Yes, and are you excited, sir? Off. Good boy. Right, Diamond? He's a good friend, isn't he? He still likes to give you kisses, but now he's checking out what noise is this dishwasher making, huh? Where'd you go, buddy? Where'd you go? There he is. What's going on? How are you, buddy? Isn't he such a handsome dog? And he loves Diamond. Does she not want any kisses right now? She says, no, thank you. I'm sorry. Good listening, Donnie. He was a good listener, huh, Dime? That's a good boy. Donnie, you don't know what to do, huh, Bubba? Silly dogs. Good girl, Diamond. You're such a nice doggy. Is he playing with him? I think Fulmer's jealous. Let's get this crab. Oh, you want to get it, Diamond? Get it. Get it, Diamond. Get that crab. Oh. Hi, Donnie. Oh, she can get the crab. Oh, she got the crab. Good girl, Diamond. What? What are you telling him? Say, play some more, buddy. You giving him more kisses, Donnie? You guys are so silly. You guys are so silly. Are you gonna talk, Donnie? This puppy absolutely loves to play with the tennis ball, don't you, buddy? You ready? You want to get it? Oh, you want to get it? Sit. Good boy. Go get it. Oh, where'd it go? You love that tennis ball, don't you, buddy? You love it. You drop. Drop. Good boy. Wait. Ready? Go get it. Oh, he cracks me up. His future mom and dad are actually on their way to meet him. Oh, silly boy. Oh, silly boy. Where you go, Diamond? Where you go? What's he doing? Oh my goodness. You just jumped from one couch to another, Diamond. What time? Is he a silly puppy? What's she doing? we can get zoomies going. Easy. Where'd he go? Oh, gotta get a water break. Was that fun playing, buddy? Was that fun? Oh, Diamond, you good sister, aren't you? You good foster sister. What are you guys doing? Are you watching to make sure there's nothing going on in the backyard? Is anything going on out there? Anything? What good guard dogs you guys are. Shush, cuties. You guys are so silly. Oh, where's Diamond going, huh? Guys, it's happening. We were able to work on the skin issues with Megalodon, and his adopters are on their way to come and pick him up. We are so very excited for him. However, we weren't expecting it, so Alyssa's at work and unable to say goodbye to him. So she asked me to take some pictures of him and his new family for her, but I thought I'd do one better. Let's share some video of him with his adopters, as well as him saying goodbye to Alyssa. Donnie, your mama and daddy are here. Yes. You say hi to them. Hi. Good boy.
Hey.
Oh, what a good dog. They already met him, so they're just here to pick him up. And he's super excited. Right, buddy?
Yeah. I know. I know.
You love
Alyssa, thank you so much for helping to take such good care of me while I was at your house. I'm going to miss you lots, but I'm so excited to go to my new forever home. I love you. Bye.
Keep watching to see how Donnie is doing in his new home.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do.
Okay, let's go. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
All right, we really hope you enjoyed this video full of puppy cuteness. And Alyssa, what was I just telling you off camera?
In about a month, we are going to be getting a pregnant foster dog.
Yes, we are super excited about that. It was quite the adventure with Muppet. And so if you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do it so you do not miss any more
Joyful content.
That's right. All right, guys, we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.